Hi everyone, this is Sanam Rizwan. Welcome back to my channel. As Eid is almost here, so I have created a very easy Eid makeup tutorial for all of you. If you want to know how I have created this look, let's jump into my video.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no. I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance, take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on could have been. I've never got no regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never want to look back. Take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. I never want to look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. You always want what you can't have, and while you have it, you can. But still, my heart, the moment I laid eyes on it. Well, how do you know how you will feel when everything changes? This fear. Where will I go? Where will you be? How will I know for me? Well, how do you know? How do you know? How do you know? How do you know? How do you You always want what you can't have, and while you have it, you can. But still, my heart, the moment I laid eyes on it. Well, how do you know how you will feel when everything changes?
Please share your thoughts in the comment section below and let me know which look you want to see in my next video. And if you love my video, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. And wish you all a very happy Eid Mubarak.